Good morning, YouTube. All right, holidays are right around the corner and it's time to pull out some snacks. All right, this time we're gonna make candied pecans. They're quick, they're easy, they're delicious, and just because you might want to, you can have an excuse to throw them on vegetables. And then you got sugar on your side dishes, which is even better. All right, let's cook, y'all. We got a family to feed. All right, now Tony is back in the back room and he's working, and I thought he was just like putting drywall mud up, but now I'm hearing power tools, so we're gonna see how this goes. All right, let's go through this. This is so easy and it's such a wonderful trick. You can do this to use in other recipes, which is probably what I'm gonna do, or you can change up the spices that you use and use this as a snack all by itself, right? Because candied pecans, wow. Phenomenal. All right, so here's where we're starting. I have, let me see if I can get that. There we go. I have 1 pound of pecan halves. And depending on what you use this for, you can use pecan pieces. You can chop them up if you want to. Whatever you want to do, okay? But I just happen to have pecan halves in my cupboard, so that's what I'm using. All right, and over here, I have 1 cup of sugar, and this is where you can really change it up if you want. To this, I am adding half a teaspoon of salt. I have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg. Now, you can add dried herbs if you want to. Rosemary is stupendously delicious. Matter of fact, now that I said that, I'm going to go grab some in a second. But about half a teaspoon of the dried nutmeg. Or if you want to, back down on the cinnamon and the nutmeg a little bit, add half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Also stupendously delicious. That is amazing. All right, so I'm putting these guys back in here, and I'm grabbing some rosemary. Okay, so we have, can y'all see that? Let me see if I can get that. There we go. Fresh rosemary. Okay, not much, about 2 inches. And I've got a fresh rosemary bush in a giant pot right out there near my front door. So I just go out there and I grab some. And I'm just running the knife through it. You want it pretty fine. You don't have to kill yourself doing this. Super fine. There we go. Where are you? Wait a minute. Where are you? Focus. I wish I would focus faster. Why does that do that? One of these days I'll figure it out. Okay. Alright, so that is right at 2 teaspoons. A fresh rosemary. It's not going to focus, no matter how long I sit there and wait on it. So we're moving on. So here's our sugar, salt, nutmeg, cinnamon, rosemary, and just stirring that together, just like that. It's kind of pretty. Fresh rosemary can really, really be magical. Careful with it though, because it can also taste like pine tar. So you don't want to go too much. All right, 1 egg white and a tablespoon of water. Clean fork. Now the egg white simply serves as the glue. So here we go. Here are our pecans and our egg whites. We have an oven preheated to 250 degrees. So here's our egg whites and our water. that a toss, and you want to make sure that they're pretty evenly coated. And this is the glue that your seasonings are going to stick to. Now, we're going to put this in the oven. We're going to give it a stir every 15 minutes for about an hour. If you use smaller pieces, you're going to check it much more frequently. But you're still going to stir it. And you're going to still wait until the outsides are nicely candied, beautifully caramelized. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Okay, so here's what we look like. Wait a minute. No? What's the deal today? I don't know what I did to the settings, but okay, so we're gonna give this 15 minutes. We're gonna stir it and keep going for about an hour, every 15 minutes, okay? Ta-da! All right, so here's what we look like. They smell incredible. All right, here we go. Time for the oven.
18?
Yeah, it's only about 18 months old. It's not very old. Okay, so here we go. After about an hour in the oven, ta-da! They're perfect. I was trying to find a little one. Those taste great. I don't know why my dog has decided to take the longest drink of water ever. Behind me. Thanks, Blue Dam. Okay, now, number one way to use these, eat them. Number two, throw them on top of a salad. Whoop! Actually, those make some really phenomenal salads. Oh no, that one's stuck. Too bad, I gotta eat it. Or, you can do what I'm about to do, which is take a nice, healthy vegetable, coat it in sugar, and top it with candied nuts. That's also a win-win. In that case, I'm making carrots glazed with marmalade, orange marmalade, because I can. And I want to make all the sugar people on YouTube freak out. Ah, that's my plan. That, y'all. Is it? Yeah, there we go. That's how you make candied pecans. Take 2 batches. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. And if you thought that video was helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the little bell so you get a notification whenever I post a new video. And if you have a second, hop on over to Patreon and check out how to support my channel even more. Again, thanks for watching.